Today we'll be playing autopsy of Jane Doe. Oh, can't believe that guy had to join.
Can y'all like hurry up, bro?
I'm coming.
This.
I'm the only person actually
Not like
hurrying.
that.
Oh
Not
shit, my battery level is like 4%, bro. Can I
4%?
move any slower?
Hurry, go in
Yeah.
there.
You're not the one with
Don't
controller
tell me the amount
drift.
of brain cells I have.
Go ahead and get this started. We're waiting here.
Hey,
So,
Some-
I'm really sorry.
how are you doing?
Good. Who texted me on
With
Snap?
my father being sick and having to be at the hospital all day. I really do appreciate it. It should be a rather simple night, and it's been a relatively slow one. It's a task that must be finished.
Want pizza?
Sir, I'm allergic to bread. No,
Get
I'm
out!
I think that is a thing, isn't it? Like people who can't have yeast.
celiac.
East?
Well, nobody's
Celiac,
allergic
to
apples.
You don't know what celiac is, bro?
Oh yeah, I
Celiac
heard.
is when people are allergic to gluten.
I
SS
was about to say
Necrolf
glue.
has
I was
it.
like, what? Glue.
I got the keys,
I
bro.
think
I got
you
the
do it
keys.
this
I
time.
got the keys. Y'all don't.
I got messed up last time.
You
Yeah,
you go over
exactly.
there for
I'm
the
the one who's supposed to be
the
trusted with this
stretcher.
shit.
I'm not getting pulled.
Y'all are gonna go get the
No, that's fine.
stretcher.
I'll
and then I'm
I'll
gonna
go
do this
die.
shit.
Yeah, bye.
You.
I got candy apples though, so if you make me do it, I'm not giving you them.
Okay.
Fine. Man, now I gotta give you the candy apples.
Oh,
Great.
don't worry about those bells. They're there to make sure the ones who are down stay down. We wouldn't want to do that while you know.
Stay down. Kaboom. So I'll get ready.
Go grab the stretcher to transport her body to the office.
I saw that dude. Now I gotta give you candy apples, man.
I don't trust
thing I
her for
bought
some
2
reason.
bushels.
I feel like she's gonna mess up.
Nah.
Sweet. Go ahead and transport her over to
Sweet,
the autopsy
sweet.
room so you can go ahead and get started.
What's your...
Okay. Oh, no, just wait for this to load.
So I can do the clean work.
Alright, so
I'm
before I
doing
had to
everything.
run,
Y'all don't
Sheriff
have a
Berg
say
wrote
in
this woman
anything.
in. He had informed me that no one knew who she was.
It
and
worked.
They had
Dude,
no idea
no,
what could have
give
happened
me,
to her.
give, fucking
Well,
give me,
you know what?
Word
stupid
got
ass
to the
bitch.
press about
Give
our
me the
Jane
fucking
Doe
knife.
here, and it's kicked
No
up
I
a
don't
fuss.
trust
cussing,
y'all anymore.
family
Yeah.
friendly.
Everyone is
Not
scared of some killer or someone dumping bodies off here.
Shut the
Anyways,
fuck up, you
your job is
dumbass
to identify
Mexican
the cause
boy.
of death.
I'm not even
Look up to the
Mexican.
Should be a pretty simple one.
Sure looked like
Following
it.
every step, you
You're
must
from
take a
New
photograph.
Mexico!
Otherwise, you will not be able to continue.
Bro,
First thing you'll do is inspect her eyes. See if there's any damage or could
Can I just,
possibly
like,
help
cut her open
identify
and
when
drink
she
her
was
blood?
Cleveland,
Let me see
Ohio.
good blood.
Move on
You
to
eat
her
dogs.
killings.
Later.
Mainly the wrists and ankles because it did seem like there was some damage.
I eat
Following
what?
that, you'll need to
He's
inspect
good
her
eating
fingernails and toenails.
trapped in the dogs.
There appeared to be some buildup, and just getting some of that sample would be amazing.
No, later, not now.
After that, you might have to check her body for other damage, but
Aw.
you should be safe to move
But I'm
on
already
to the
cutting her
surgical step.
wrist and her pulse
After cutting
point.
her open, take a look at her lungs,
Mm.
followed by her heart, and finish with her stomach. That should be all
Yeah,
that's needed. You have the tools and equipment necessary to complete those steps. If you
This
get
blood is
confused,
delicious, bro.
refer to the board.
I
It
bet.
will list all that you need to do in order. And do not forget, you must take a picture before moving on, or else it could mess things up above us. Meaning paperwork, and honestly, who enjoys that?
I do.
So if you're ready, go ahead and start whenever.
Y'all do the rest of that shit because I don't feel like it. I feel like eating her blood.
Okay.
That's weird. Her eyes are
I'm
clouded
just
over.
cut her
but
open
she
at her
could
heart
be
area and
she's
just.
been dead for a few days.
Mm.
That's
But
not weird.
Delicious.
I don't know.
He acted like
We'll
that.
just
This
take a
doesn't
picture
happen.
and move on to the next step.
Nice.
I love me some good blood, bro. Y'all want any strawberry jam blood?
Nah.
I
real
don't
sweet.
care.
I'm
I'm
not
trying to
strawberries.
Her ankles and
I'm
wrists
trying
have
to do this
been
again.
fractured. That actually scratched
It's
that.
the Harry
They've been
Potter
completely
star.
shattered.
Okay, we got
Maybe
this
this could be
random
caused from
symbol.
being tied up or bound by something extremely tight.
Ankles
Take a
broken,
picture and
kids
see what else you can
stolen.
find.
I thought it was gonna say
Ankles,
kneecaps,
wrist.
honestly.
We
I got
could
the
be
feet.
looking at a potential human trafficking situation,
yo.
which
Let
could
me see
make
that.
sense since her joints do support it, and whoever kidnapped her could have buried her. Hence the reason she has soil under
Equals
her finger and toenails.
I'm at this
Scratch
equals
that. The
A.
soil is peat. Extremely
What does
rare
this
unless you
equal?
buy it in a nursery.
Nothing.
Man, I haven't seen this stuff in ages. Which is odd since it's most commonly found in more northeastern states. That also doesn't add up.
Still got that. That
Clean up
explains
the
why we
finger and
couldn't find
toenails
it.
and
That
take a
dude must
picture
have
and
taken
we'll
it.
move on.
Yeah, he did. I'm gonna just keep eating the blood. Thanks, bro. So can I finally cut her open?
Alright,
Can I cut her
you
open?
finished all you needed to on the outside
We
of her
got this,
body.
yeah.
We just
Go ahead and
said-
grab the
Yes,
scalpel
yes.
and cut her open to begin the
Hang
surgical
on, don't
steps.
just go. Don't go in all gung ho. You gotta do it right.
So-
You know, right down the
But I
middle.
want to cut her open.
Oh.
My god, her lungs are... Her lungs
no,
are
no, no,
almost
no, no,
charred. Almost as if she was burning from the inside out.
I shouldn't have closed my
She was
eyes.
in
How
hell,
could that
that's
make any
why.
sense? Someone with this much interior damage from burns
Like
would
my
almost be
fourth wife.
guaranteed to have tissue damage on the outside of the body.
No.
Take a
Mm,
picture and
delicious.
we'll move on.
No.
Oh, so when I do it, it's wrong. But when you do it, it's fine.
It's because I'm another woman, okay?
Her heart
another
appears to
woman.
have
Well,
been stabbed
Joke's on
and
you.
cut up.
Identify as a
Um,
woman.
Seeing all this interior damage,
Equal.
she should most
No.
certainly be mangled on the
Delicious
exterior.
organs you got there, man.
But her body is completely clean.
Okay, this
Can I
equals.
cut her more open and
Take a
just
picture
eat the rest
and
of her?
we'll go to the next
I'm
step.
hungry.
Might be able to get the heart.
Ooh, can I take? I'm gonna just cut out the heart, pick it up.
Oh wait, never mind. The heart's already been cut open. You already got it.
What is that?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
can't be. That's Jimson weed. Jimson weed is a natural paralyzing agent,
Okay.
which could also explain the inflammation in her organs. The interesting thing is Jimson weed is also found in the Northeast. Take a picture
Oh,
and we'll gather
delicious.
our evidence.
Can I just continue to eat, please?
No.
Can you, like, get away from my meal?
Save some for the rest of us.
This must
What?
be ritualistic to some degree. Looking at all the
You
want
evidence, they first
You
bound
want
her
some?
and then poisoned her with a Jimson weed to paralyze her. Cut and stabbed her, and if that wasn't enough, they burned her. Almost as if it was a human sacrifice. Whoever
was.
did this wanted her to suffer.
Yeah.
None of this is adding up. Try putting
sure?
those pieces you found together and see what it makes.
Makes nothing.
She's gonna spell Jane Doe.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
She's gonna spell Jane Doe. Womp womp.
Oh, that was the
Mr. Randolph,
S.
Mr. Randolph the retard. Would you like some insides? It's
In a
fine
minute.
dining.
In a minute. In a minute.
It's fine
Yeah.
dining, okay? It's fine dining.
There we go. Salem.
I'm not sure what to make of all this. You need to get the hell out of here. I'm not so sure if we should finish it off, but I know one thing is for sure. You're never leaving.
What?
Fallout music.
Oh no.
It's Fallout.
Awesome, bro.
I should have so much.
Sorry for eating your insides. I'm sorry. I'm only sorry because I don't want to, like, die. Bam, I'm not actually sorry. I honestly just want your soul.
Come back up.
What do I need to tell them?
We gotta leave, bro.
Yeah,
Come on.
go.
And that one is you. No other will do.
Are we supposed to go through here? We're supposed to go in here, I believe. It is.
This is a terrible idea.
I've lost all ambition. The world is
That's scary. What happened?
I don't
Well,
like this.
that could have
It
ended
seems like the
badly.
perfect setup to get jump scared. I called it, bro. I called it. I freaking called it.
Mine. No, let
I
me.
called it. Ooh, a hand. Can I have it? Jimmy, I want to eat it.
No.
That was crazy.
Very salty.
Oh, good.
Very salty, you know? Close it. Close it. We got zombies.
Where did he go?
We got zombies, bro. Online. Oh my god.
I found a 9. I found a 9
In here?
in the lamp.
I'm
4.
Hold on. Let me do this. 4, 7,
4, 7,
4,
9.
9.
Bang, bang, bang.
The breaker must have tripped.
No.
It took too
You have to
long.
send one of you to go flip it back on. Bring a flashlight. You'll need it.
We
You're
all
going,
go.
Mr. Moon.
Flashlight.
You're going. You're going.
Not
I'm
it, not
going.
it, not
I
it.
don't want to go. I'm scared.
You're doing
Not
it.
it. I'm
We're
not
all going. Come on,
Yo,
guys.
Do
F
if
this
you do
shit.
it, I'll let you. I'll have a party at the place.
No! Let me in! Let me in!
I'm at,
You can go by
Oh, there we
yourself,
go.
I think.
Someone else is gonna do it.
I don't want to. I don't want to be. Give me
I'll
the
go with
flashlight. Give me
you.
the goddamn
I'll
flashlight.
go with you.
You know what? Fuck this shit. I can't grab it.
Turn me
I can't fucking
around.
grab it.
Come on.
Hey yo.
Tyler, go first.
That reminds me of the song used to be right.
Oh,
Oh, we can't go. You have to go by yourself.
No.
Good luck, Mr. Mountain
Good luck,
Dew.
buddy. There's probably gonna be a jump
What are we
scare.
supposed to do while we wait for him to get back? What are we supposed to
Here,
do while we
when
wait
do you
for
guys
him
do
to
it?
get back? That's the better question.
I
What do we
don't.
do?
I can't. It's up to
We
you,
can't grab
dog.
the flashlight. Only you
It's up
can.
to you,
bro.
dog.
You can't grab
You
it?
gotta do it. I would
Oh,
go
she's
if
right.
I
I
could.
actually can't. Oh,
but
that
you-
sucks. I would not go.
Yeah.
I would. Y'all do it.
I would if I could, but I can't. Sorry. So what do I do while I wait for him to get back? What do we do? Where's the couch? I can't tell if I'm sitting on the couch.
Sweet. The power's back on now. Try inputting that code one more time.
I survived.
MF Doom, if you're hearing me, if you didn't die yet, you're probably about to.
Holy shit,
I
you
got
did
it
it!
open!
Grab the key and head to the cellar door.
Yeah,
It's
I
time
got
to
it
leave this damned
open.
place.
I got
Hope
it
y'all know this is where we die.
Well, no shit, Sherlock. No shit.
I don't play this.
Oh shit, Sherlock.
We gotta die somehow. Okay, nothing here.
I wanted to die like Arthur Morgan though.
Who?
At least we're going out with the bang, guys.
Hey yo.
Oh.
Is someone there? I heard some commotion and noticed the lights going on and off and thought I'd see if you needed help.
Don't answer. Don't
The
answer.
door's locked out here. Try and open it up.
I got the key.
Come
I can't
on,
use the
open
key.
it up.
No.
Open it up.
Okay,
Open
I
up.
can't.
Open
No.
up. Just
can't.
open up your
Y'all do it.
heart and let the
Oh, okay. Okay, K-Dog's alone. It's me.
Is the other person here?
Nope.
I see a red door and I want it painted black.
Is this the end?
Well, that was certainly a game. Yeah.
Is that an end?
Ah, they are not playing this song.
Okay.
Hey!
Oh, hi.
Well,
Oh. Hi, Beth.
What should I do
Yeah?
for dinner? Y'all, I'm getting hungry and I'm kind of trying to figure that out.
Bro, where are we gonna go have dinner?
Mom. I got it. Love you too, Mom. Be safe. Don't get too drunk.
Oh, K-Dog left. Oh yeah, her headset probably died.
So,
Is she still
I
online?
am friends with you today, so probably, but and let it go. But you know what?
Yep, she's offline.
Full drama, dragon. You know what? You earned it.
Oh. Well, that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.